Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine smells bad. Check the area around and underneath the washing machine to make sure the smell is coming from the washing machine itself and not from something underneath or behind it. Run a washing machine cleaner through your machine according to the directions on the packaging of the cleaning product. Check the drain pump filter if your washing machine has one and remove any debris or blockages. Some models may not have a drain pump filter and some may have a filter only accessible by an appliance repair technician, so it's important to refer to your washer's user manual for further information. If the drain pump filter is okay, check the drain hose for proper installation. Improper installation may cause the washer to leak and can also potentially cause the washer to pull dirty water back out of your plumbing into the machine. Refer to the installation instructions for your specific model of washer. For front-load washing machines, check the door gasket, detergent tray, and detergent tray housing for any mold or mildew buildup. Clean as directed in your washer's user manual. And if your washing machine still smells bad after trying all of that, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.